Hello students, today I would like to discuss with you the topic Iki Matra. Before we begin, can you tell me what vowel is this? This is E. That means choti E. So now you can see here in the screen, I am showing in red color. This is Iki Matra. That is the symbol for choti E. So this is known as Iki Matra. Now let us learn few words formed by using Iki Matra. Kabamut bangin pule menta yaki kentien kibala pendon kam hakaban spell dak dakaba pendon kam lang ya uni Iki Matra pat ki wei pat ki dak hakaban penwan yaka kentien. So now let us have a look at some words. Dikena penbut nadien jonga kumno ban keno iki niki kentien da kapapudan kam Iki Matra. Kitab 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 kadai kakot. Kitab. Dakia. Dakia is a postman. Lani unong rashiti. Hiran. Hiran. Hiran is a deer. Lani kaskay. Hiran. Kila. Kila. Kila is a fort. Lani kakenro. Kila. Jiria. Jiria or bird. Kadai kasim. Jiria. Sitar. Sitar. Sitar kadai kajingtem. Sitar. Gilas. Gilas kadai ka glass. Lani ka tumbler kadai ka klap di Imli. Imli or tamarind. Dayu sokentoy. Imli. Imli in English tamarind. Sokentoy. Din. Din or day. Performance ni. Din. Dia nganget pila nang ban keno yakitu ki kentien. Bless you. Thank you.